Hi, hello, welcome to Google Classroom. So in our last class video, we discussed about the chapter algebraic expression. So that is in the part of algebra in mathematics. So in that part of algebra, second chapter I am taking, that is identities. So what is meant by identities? Here formula oriented problem based solving problems. So here we are using the formula and solving the problems. So in that one, first identity I am taking, that is x plus a into x plus b, means product of two binomials. Product of two binomials. So you look at here one binomial, here one binomial. What is meant by binomial? An algebraic expression contains two terms. So look at here. This is first algebraic expression of binomial, second algebraic expression of second binomial. This is first binomial, second binomial. While we are multiplying two binomials, what happens? Let's see. So what is this formula indicates? X plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. How we are going to pronounce this? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So why we are doing it? So first term of first binomial, second term of first term of second binomial. While both the terms are same, we are using this formula. Look at, for example, I am taking x plus 6 and x plus 5. For example, x plus 6 and x plus 5. Look at the first term of first binomial, first term of second binomial. Both the cases are same. Here also x, here also x. So now we are applying this formula and solve this problem easily. What is the formula? X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So we are using this formula, we can easily solve this problem. So how? What is the, in place of x is there in this given problem? X. X is equal to x. In case of the maybe change in the example. So any letter they can give. For example, y. If the y they are given means in the place of x you have to replace y. If they are given m means in the place of x what you have to replace m. So second term here x in the place x also is there. What is the place in the a? A is equal to 6 plus 6. In the place of b, what is that? Plus 5. So before I am going to solve this problem, I am given one instruction why the first term of both the binomials are same, then we can easily apply this formula. So now apply formula. What is the place of x is there here? X only, that is x square plus, in the place of a what is that? 6 plus, in the place of b what is that? 5. X plus x, a into b. What is a here? 6 into b. What is b here? 5. That is x square plus 6 plus 5, 11. X plus 6 5s are 30. So like this we can easily solve this problem. And next I am taking second example here. Suppose if I am taking m plus 4 and m minus 2. M minus 2. So how to apply? So look at the first term of binomials. Here also m, here also m. So both the cases the first terms are same. Then we can go to directly apply this formula. What is the formula? Again, you have to write the formula once more because formula also carries marks. So x plus b, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Look at the terms. What is the, in the x place is that m. A plus 4. In the place of b, what is that? Minus 2. So you have to write with sign also because it is very important in mathematics. If you miss the sign, you will lose the marks. So here, in the place of x, what is there here? M. That is m square plus. In the place of a, what is there? 4. In the place of b, minus 2 is there. Minus 2. In the place of x, m. A place 4 into minus 2. Because in the place of b, minus 2 is there. That's why I am writing separately in the bracket. So that is m square plus. In 4, 2 will goes means 2m. Here, look at here, very important. You have to multiply signs first. Plus into minus, minus. 4 2s are 8. So like this we are going to solve the problem. So why? If they are given, first terms are same. For example, I am taking here 2x plus 3y, 3x plus 4y. This is also two binomials. But look at the first terms. Here 2x is there, here 3x is there. Different or there. How to do this type of problem, sir? So here we are using 3 steps of multiplication. Otherwise, if you want to take direct multiplication means first you have to take 2x and multiply these two, and next to take 3y and multiply these two. So instead of going that method, so you have to use this procedure. So what is the first procedure is that first term, product of the first two terms of the binomial. So product of the first terms of the two binomials. Here I am going to solve the problem. So same. Next I am considering 2x plus 3y into 3x plus 4y. So if I am consider this problem means, look at the first term. It is not same. That's why we are not able to apply that formula. So instead of that, we are going to different method of solving this type of problems. First term. So for while we are solving first term, what should be? It is the product of the first terms of the two binomials. So first terms, which are the first terms here? 2x. Product of second binomial first term is what? 3x. Okay. Next, plus middle term. What should be? It is the middle term. First term of the first binomial and second term of the second binomial. So here, look at here. First term is what in the first binomial? 2x into second term of the second binomial is what? So while we are considering binomial, this is first term and this is second term. So first term is 2x, second term is 4y. Next plus. Next, what is that? Second term of the first binomial. What is the second term of the first binomial? This is second term of the first binomial. That is 3y into. What is that? First term of the second binomial. What is the first term of second binomial? That is 3x. Next, last, third step. So this is first term. This is middle term. Next one I am going to solve third term. Product of the second terms of the two binomials. Which are the second terms of the two binomials? This part. 3y and 4y. 3y into 4y. Look at here. I am going to clearly explain this concept. First term, if you want to solve this type of problem is, first we have to multiply first terms. 2x into 3x. Plus next 2x and 4y. Next 3y into 3x plus 3y into 4y. I think you are understanding. Next, you know how to multiply the algebraic expression. First we have to multiply numerical coefficient. 2 into 3, 6. X into x, x square. Then you have to put plus sign. Here, 2 into 4, 8. X into y, xy. Plus 3 into 3, 9. X into y, xy. and you can write yx also, no problem, because if you interchange variables, there is no change, value is same only. Plus 3 into 4, 12, y into y square, 6x square, plus look at here, while we are adding the variables, sorry, algebraic expressions, so look at the variables, here also xy is there, here also xy is there. Powers of x and y both are same, because here x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1, x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1. Then we can easily add these two algebraic expressions. That means 8 plus 9 what? 8 plus 9, 17. You can write variables x, y. So 12 y square. So this is the final answer. So while we are doing different types of first terms of two binomials, means then we can easily solve by using these steps. First you have to understand these steps, and later you can go to solve this type of problems.